Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime Video app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime Video, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of Amazon Prime Video. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.